Hello, my friends. Today I'm inviting you right into my kitchen to make a classic, heartwarming bouillabaisse. It's a famous dish from Marseille and a big favorite in my family. Let's start with the most important part of any good bouillabaisse, the broth. I start by cooking onions, leeks and fennel in a little bit of olive oil until they get soft and make the air smell sweet, like licorice. Then add a few bits of garlic, a tiny bit of saffron. Oh, I just love this spice. It gives a beautiful golden color and a soft taste, a little orange peel and of course some ripe tomatoes. To make it taste just right, throw in a bay leaf, some thyme and a little bit of sea salt. Now pour in some fish broth and let it all cook slowly on low heat. This is when the magic happens. All the tastes mix together and your kitchen starts to smell wonderful, like you're by the sea in France. Now, let's add the seafood. I like to use different kinds. A firm white fish like cod or snapper, plus some mussels, clams, and maybe a few shrimp. Gently put them into the broth that's cooking slowly and let them cook just until they open up and get soft. Don't forget to take out any shells that don't open. We don't want those today. While that's cooking, I quickly make something called rouille. It's just garlic and egg yolk, a little bit of mustard and olive oil and a tiny bit of cayenne pepper, all mixed up into a creamy, spicy sauce. Trust me, it tastes amazing with a piece of crusty bread dipped into the soup. And just like that, you have a bowl full of sunshine right from Provence in France. Serve it hot with the rouille on the side and let your family come together to enjoy a real taste of France. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, welcome to Global Family Cookbook. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.